Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video on the Smartwatch 5 and how to get it to work properly if you have tattooed skin. So if you have tattooed skin like mine that cover pretty much your entire wrist area on both arms, especially if you have darker or colorful ink right where the watch is going to sit, I'm sure you've noticed your Smartwatch 5 or other Galaxy wearable watches and smartwatches don't work properly. You may notice you're not getting notifications even when you are wearing the watch, or it doesn't activate when you flick your wrist. This is because the watch is not detecting you're actually wearing it, because something with the light sensor trying to shine through the dark tattoos isn't working, and basically your watch doesn't think you're actually wearing it. So that's why you're not getting notifications, and also why the heart rate monitor does not work. But I do have a fix, temporarily. So here's what's happening when I try to measure my heart rate. Okay. Make sure you're wearing your watch securely on the top or underside of your wrist, not against the bone. If it still doesn't work, try cleaning the sensor. Well, I'm wearing it properly. It's tight. It just does not work with tattooed skin. On sites like Etsy, or you can probably find in a craft store, you can find these little half-inch epoxy stickers. So what you want to do is you're going to want to take one of those little epoxy stickers and line it up right in the middle where that sensor is. Right there. Let's see if that did the trick. There it goes. So there's your temporary fix if you have tattooed skin and want to use the heart rate monitor on your Galaxy smartwatch.